Alright, it's finally time to do something about this empty room. So this is basically my office, and as you can hear, there's nothing in here. I went to IKEA for the 100th time in like a month, and I dragged up all the boxes on my annoying staircase again. But it's all here, so I'm finally gonna build something here to kind of make my background a little nicer. There are some things that you guys can decide though, if you want to, but I'll get to that later in the video. But yeah, so like I said, this is kind of my office. This is where I play games. This is where I'm gonna stream eventually when I get to streaming, and hopefully record videos as well. But yeah, I kind of want to fill this empty void over here. So yeah, let's get building. To be honest, I'm so done with IKEA building. Like once in a while, one thing is fun, but like every single week, I'm so done. And the only thing that I have, like I had power tools for some of it, but I don't have it anymore. I haven't bought it yet either. Like power tools with IKEA furniture is like bringing a car to a bike race, you know, it's so much easier. But the only thing I have is like this multi-purpose tool that has like some things on it that can do the job. It's just so much more, you know, elbow grease and back pains, but let's get going. Step 1, done. Why did I do it like that? Part 2 done. I just need, I think, doors. Oh, like I assembled it and I had to kind of disassemble it to put it underneath the thing, like under the under thing. Now I'm wondering for the doors. Maybe I should have checked that first. What if I had to put something in between? Oh god, let's see, let's check. Actually, let me vacuum first, because this is disgusting. Oh god, it's coming off. Jesus. Okay, if I have to disassemble it to get the doors in, it'll be doorless. Wait, this is a door? What? These instructions go crazy. So this goes like this. You can't really see, but this goes like this. This goes like this. And this goes like this. Okay. It's lunchtime. It's been lunchtime for like 30 minutes. I ain't skipping lunch. I need to go have lunch. No. Lunch mentioned. And that's time. So that only took around like 25 minutes or so. No, I'm lying. This is a new day. I did finish it yesterday, but it took me a little bit longer than expected, especially like the lower like drawers and stuff. But hey, I mean, it's not terrible. It's quite good actually, I think. If I do say so myself. I kind of just took out of my storage what I had that I still had to put somewhere. So this is not my final product, but I kind of just wanted to put some stuff out that it looked a little bit nice, or like the end product looked a bit nicer. It's still very echoey in here, so I don't know if I'm gonna put like maybe some things on the wall or put something next to it as well. But overall, pretty good. I even got a plant. That's crazy. I have owned cactus before, but I even managed to kill those, even though they take water only like once every few weeks or months or whatever. But I got a plant. I'll try and keep it alive. If you ever see it disappearing, you know, it went to a better place. So yeah, pretty good. We got the Demon Slayer sword. We got some Lego as well. I think I might wanna, like I kinda did here, like that's my PSP, but I might wanna try and display like my PSPs and like my Nintendo DS's and all of that, and maybe, well, there's a PlayStation here, but yeah, I might want to do that. I think that might look cool. Making this my kind of retro gaming station thing. I don't know, we'll see what happens to it. And then here we have my quite messy desk. Well, it's not that messy, but like I'm known for my incredible cable management, as you can see over there. But yeah, I do want to do it right. So I do want to fix my cables and all of that. And I also might just change the screen on the other side, because the window is hitting that screen and I can barely see what's happening on here, so that's not great. But the only problem is that I have my desktop over here, so putting a screen there is not working out very well. But hey, it is coming together at least a little bit. I have all my stuff here that I can hopefully start streaming soon. I have something in the background that it did help a little bit with noise, but I still need to fill out this room a little bit more. But slowly but surely, it's all coming together. So yeah, it's starting to feel more like a home than like, I don't know, a construction site. So for what to hang in this room, I kind of want to hang some displays around. And I'm letting you guys decide. No, not... I'm letting you decide on one thing that I can hang on my wall. So you can go to just display it and pick any of them and then send the link to me. I don't know, maybe in the comments or through Instagram or whatever. But you have options like this, for example, or like this. So there's plenty of cool things to pick out of that I want to that I can hang up here. Yeah, if anyone has suggestions or is like, yes, that's an amazing one, I'll get it, so that the streaming setup will look nice. But other than that, I'll obviously continue making my videos. This is kind of, again, like a little update that I did like a few weeks ago as well. Because all of this is taking time, which is taking time away from making other videos, so that's why I'm doing like these little updates. So I want this to kind of become like a familiar space, you know what I mean, for you guys as well, which is nice when you're watching a video and you're like kind of familiar with the environment. So I hope you like it, and yeah, just a little update video, and I'll see you guys very soon. Goodbye.